This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Happy holidays to you. Well, there's the trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star room. It was on Twitter, TWTR. Here it was at opening. This line here represents opening, and it flew up here and hit its head. It completely closed the gap in just the first few minutes of the market. This dashed line here is the closing line from Friday. And then it started to do a pullback, and this is forming what we call a bull flag. If you want to know more about what a bull flag is, you can go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and right down here in the free chart school, you just need to look up a bull flag. Here is a description of a bull flag, and then here is a picture of it where you have a run up, and then it's pulling back, but it's doing it in a parallel channel coming back. This is a bullish formation. That's why we call it a bull flag. Yeah. And so you can see here we had that flag pull up, and now it's coming back and forth here. So I said, let's set an order up here. A little risky if it's below the $59 because that was resistance, but let's see what happened next. And boom, boom, there we go. It popped up here. Oh, now I've got to tell you three things at once, right? First of all, I did have my entry at $58.68. I'm long. And then it popped up here just above the 59, pulled back, and then took off again. So we are in good shape there, and we just keep pulling our stop up. We're now to break even on our stop. Let's see what happened after that on this long. It's sticking up nicely, did a little bit of a bull pullback, and then boom, it jumped up here. And as soon as it got back up here, because it popped up and it pulled down to right to the 8 EMA again, when it came back up and it was stalling here for a while, I went ahead and got out half, $69.70 for 1.7% on the first half. Pulling my stop up here, just below this line of support, and let's see what happened after that. It pulled back to the 8 EMA again and then back up again. Now, $60. By the way, these are all-time highs, and at $60, so that is resistance. It's an even dollar amount. And then what did it do? It pulled back and bam, it got me out here after it broke the 8 EMA at $59.60 for 1.5% on the second half. So let's see what happened with this trade. As it pulled, we did it at a bull flag. As it broke out from that, we went long, and then after it broke below the 8 EMA, that's when I stopped out of my second half for 1.6% in 17 minutes. Ooh-ah. And just out of curiosity, what happened next? Well, this was interesting because it also formed another bull flag. Let me pull these up here. I moved them so that they wouldn't be in our way. Another bull flag, but it just kept falling and falling and falling and falling. After it hit that new all-time high, it kept falling all the way down here to the big red or the 200 period moving average. Well, these are some of the trades we're doing in the Grok Star room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for the 30-day free trial. We have added audio so you hear not only what my posts are, but also what my thinking is before I'm in and while I'm in the trade, so you know when I'm going to get out. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember, as Tony Turner says, that the day that composure was the only emotion was the day that she became a successful trader, period. Trade well.